Guys, imagine making money while you sleep. And what if there's a way to earn daily passive income up to $25,000 a day? And what if there is a card that will let you spend your earnings anywhere in the world? Stick around because what I'm about to share would change everything. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Blockchain Effects. Link to this will be in the description of the video. This is emerging as the first crypto native platform where users could actually trade over 500 diverse assets, which also includes cryptocurrencies, you have forex, stocks, ETFs, futures, options, and bonds, and all from one unified interface. So this is designed to revolutionize the financial landscape, and Blockchain Effects, guys, is building the world's first true crypto trading super app which seamlessly bridges the digital and traditional finance. Now, with a mission to make trading more rewarding, Blockchain Effects is redistributing up to 70% of its trading fees back to its communities through the staking rewards and in BFX and USDT. So this is making it one of the most lucrative passive incomes of all time, in my honest opinion, guys. And they are also offering users the chance to earn up to $25,000 per day by simply holding the BFX tokens. Now, the platform's all-in-one trading engine, guys, allows us users to instantly swap between asset classes and trade gold for Bitcoin. Now, the platform's all-in-one trading engine, guys, allows users to instantly swap between asset classes, trade gold for Bitcoin, flip into meme coins just like Pepe, guys, and then hedge with oil or diversify into ETFs, all without ever leaving the app. So this is your one-stop shop for everything trading. Now, guys, this frictionless experience eliminates the need for multiple accounts or multiple platforms, basically. So you don't need to go to a specific website for crypto, specific website for forex, specific website for stocks, and all of that, because you could do that all in one platform, which is the Blockchain Effect. And what I really like about them is their top priority is security, with the advanced measures in place to protect user assets and backed by a team of over 25 years of fintech and trading experience. Blockchain Effects, guys, promises a super reliable and professional trading environment. So with the pre-sale, guys, they are doing their pre-sale and it's currently underway. Users can actually unlock exclusive benefits, which also includes the BFX Visa card for global spending and a limited 30%, guys, 30% bonus using the code BFX30. And guys, it is poised for that 500x potential post-launch, and Blockchain Effects isn't just a platform, guys. This is the future of trading. And of course, just like what I always say, make sure to do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And so you could also get to know them more. And then this is their white paper, guys. Okay, you can click on access white paper and it will take you directly to this. Very, very good place to start your own research because it has a ton of information that talks about blockchain effects, who they are, what they do, what benefits you could get from them, and a lot more. So go ahead and check them out. Link to this will be in the description of the video. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.